All right, YouTube. Hey, Josh here, Ottawa Lumber Company. Check this one out right here, 30 by 40, 16 feet tall. Gonna get vinyl siding and shingles, but let me kind of give you an update here as far as the OSB that we put on the sidewalls, and then also the OSB that we put on the roof here. So if you're trying to replicate this at home here, again, 2 by 12, two 12 by 14 overhead doors right here. Again, 30 by 40, 16 feet tall. And then let me also give you a diagonal look at this building. All right, you can see our guys, they got the house wrap on, they got the OSB on the sidewall, and then also the roof, and we're gonna get this done here, the vinyl siding. You can see there, 2 by 10 baseboard, rim board. But let's take a look at the inside of this. And then also, for those of you at home there, actually those are 3 by 4 windows, 1, 2, 3, and then that's a 9-light Therma-Tru entry door there. So you see what we did here, we actually put 7/16 OSB sheeting on this. You can see there's the 2 by 10. Again, that's a ground contact, 0.60 treatment baseboard right there. You can see we utilize the 401 stone mix. And you can see this site actually brought in quite a bit of fill here. You probably saw here, but you can see this site settled up pretty good here. He's gonna be obviously pouring 4-inch concrete flat work, but check that out right there. Again, 401. Again, kind of like a highway mix, stone mix, sandy mix. You can see the sand there. And again, we backfill the holes with that. Again, lets the water aerate and fissure from the hole. All right, so that kind of gives you an idea there. So by the 7/16 OSB, again, we're gonna be putting a vinyl siding on that. You can see we utilize 2 by 4 wall construction. Again, this is Ottawa County, 2 feet apart there. You can see our rack bracing, or our diagonal bracing, stop the rack there, diagonal bracing, 2 by 6 SPF there. And then also we utilize the 3-ply laminated column. We talked about this before. Why we're utilizing this, you probably see this in our videos. If you've been following along here, we utilize this quite a bit versus the 6 by 6 or 4 by 6. The reason why, again, the 3-ply laminated column, again, 30%, they advertise, okay? 30% stronger than a 6 by 6. Again, you can see it's southern yellow pine, glued, finger jointed, laminated, treated at the bottom right there. You can see the different pressure points there. And again, natural wood, 6 by 6, 4 by 6, that's gonna rot on you. I mean, not rot, but it's natural wood, so it's gonna twist. You can see how this is manipulated, spliced, laminated, finger jointed together, so it maintains its form there. And you see we got the baffles set up there. You can see we got the top beam header, and then we're running those baffles. You can see on the inside, let me get you a little bit closer so you can look at that. See how we set that up right there? Actually, on that inside header right there, we apply the pink baffles there. And again, that's pretty self-explanatory, but lets the water, or not the water, but lets the air go up to the peak there. And then also escape from the soffit there. Keeps the air moving. You can see this building's got a lot of lumber in it. Again, a 1/2-inch OSB there on the roof. Again, 2 by 4s running flat there. Again, 4 foot on center, truss bracing. And you can see on the truss on this, actually a 2 by 6 bottom and a 2 by 6 top corner. That's the engineering specs. It's a pretty tall building. Again, 30 by 40, 16. It's actually a 412 pitch. All right, so that kind of gives you some idea of what we utilize there. You can see what we utilize for a header right there. Utilize that 2 by 12 yellow pine, and then we ran that 2 by 6 on top of that. Provisions in place for that overhead door opening. And then also we'll come back and we'll put coil stock, or we'll put the trim on that overhead door opening. All right, so you can see there, a lot of wood, a lot of lumber on this building right here. All right, so kind of give you an idea. Again, Ottawa County, not actually too far from the Lake Erie, so if you're around here, good destination spot, definitely in the summertime. All right, so there you go, kind of give you an idea here. You can see every other one on that soffit there, vented, solid, vented, solid. See that right there? Let me kind of give you a little closer look there. So pretty majestic building right here, 30 by 40, 16 feet tall. You saw there 2 12 by 14 openings and 3 by 4 windows. But again, comments always welcome. So the next one, keep it locked, keep it loaded right here, Ottawa Lumber and OttawaLumber.com.